KitKat and Clotted cream surprise. For this you will need KitKat of any type, clotted cream, this is homemade clotted cream, and a syrup of your choice. You can use strawberry or hazelnut or even Nutella. Yuck. This is very simple recipe. All you do, break up your KitKat into a bowl, small pieces. Now add the clotted cream. Now add your syrup. And that's it, done. And now for the taste test. That is stupendous, delicious, special. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.